create a modal folder inside lib folder. Then create a modal.dart file inside this folder. Inside this file, create a class named images. This is the response that pexels provide upon getting called. But we only need image ID, image's path to portrait, and its alt text from it. So, create an int property named image ID. Then, create a string property named image alt. And finally, create a string property named image portrait path. Now create a constructor of this class. Make all of these properties required. Now create a factory constructor named from JSON. It will take a parameter of type map and name it JSON. This constructor will return an object of this images class. Inside it, set all of the properties equal to a JSON value. Now, take key of that value from the pexels and paste it inside the relevant field like this. As portrait path is inside this src, so we need to access it first to get it portrait path. After that, we can access the portrait path like this. Otherwise, it won't work. As we are not posting anything on pexels, so we don't need to JSON method. However, we need an empty named constructor, so we'll create that. For that, type class name and put dot and then type the constructor's name. Inside this constructor initialize all properties. Inside from JSON constructor, cast the JSON values according to our property types to avoid invalid type error. With that, our modal class is complete.